Hey, can I cut the cord off at first? Nope. Just really don't give a fuck today.
It's cool.
No, he didn't put
Some
the
money in
steel
that.
I see him put a piece of tough steel in there. Are you recording that?
I want to show Erica. She ain't never seen shit. She ain't believe me that the shit works. She said it been sitting here for so long. I said that shit works now. I see him using it every day. That's what she said. She said it doesn't work. It's been sitting there for that truck been sitting there. Nah, that shit works.
I was there. I brought the truck here. Pulled it over the bridge.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Pulled it over the bridge.
Yeah. The guy had his house down here. Bridge, you know.
Hey, don't hit your wheel.
That's crazy.
And yeah, we pulled it over there and stopped the traffic for him.
Yeah, crazy, man.
Don't stop, go, go. Who cares, you're in the ditch.
Oh shit.
Chopped up.
Yeah. I got what I want. The frame's all cleared off. I just had to cut it off and put them over now.
I did hear though, I heard like take another spike down. This Marcus getting older weaker.
I ain't worried about it. Fuck it.
There's a Syria. Something might pick up before that happens.
Yeah, there's a lot of shit going on over there in Syria right now. I heard this morning that there's a whole situation going on.
Like the market's not stable right now. It's pricing. Market's not